Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So after a long 6 months of search and research, I ended up buying a gaming laptop and I'm quite happy with it. Not just happy, I'm pretty sure that there is no other laptop which could compete this one in this price range. As said, the 6 months of long research kind of made me a laptop expert, so at least that helped me to choose my own laptop confidently, and with this video I'm here to guide you to buy yourself a perfect laptop so that you won't regret later. So right now you could see me trying to unbox my best gaming laptop I just bought. You could see which laptop is inside in just a moment. Meanwhile, I'm gonna tell you what should you be looking for while choosing your next laptop, especially for gaming. The main feature should be of course the cooling system, because if your device gets hotter it would depreciate the performance of the laptop, making it unfit for gaming after a while. Too much heat won't be good for your laptop in a long run as well. So your primary option must be a good cooling system even if the laptop feels bulkier, because you won't be playing games with laptop on your lap anyways. The next option, which is equally important, is the graphics card. You would be needing at least a Nvidia 1050 Ti card for smooth gaming in every modern AAA title games, and then a latest generation i5 or i7 Intel processor with a minimum of 8 GB of RAM. So every laptop with these specs can be considered as a good gaming laptop. So other factors like optimization, battery backup, cost, weight, design, build material and quality is what differ these gaming laptops from worst to best. If budget is not a problem for you, then you got tons of options out there. We are not going there in this video, but if your budget is limited just like mine and prefers value for every rupee you spend just like me, you are in right place. By the way, by limited budget I didn't mean 10,000 or 50,000, because anything below 75,000 rupees or $600 is not a gaming laptop. Just simple as that. In other countries like USA, laptop is cheaper but is too expensive here in India because of overtaxing. So I'm almost finished with the unboxing, and as many of you must have already guessed with that logo, it's none other than the Acer Predator Helios 300 limited white edition. There are literally a dozen of Helios 300 variant and this is the best you could find in market. The specs is just shown in the screen. Major specs are of course the 8th gen Intel Core i7 processor with 16 gigs of RAM with a powerful 6 GB Nvidia 1060 graphics card. I wanted a laptop that's fit for gaming, programming, video editing and game development, and this beast right here could do it all efficiently. I actually bought it for 1,30,000 rupees, which I thought that is the cheapest price of this laptop, but with great pain I later realized that the price could get much lesser. It is now selling for 1,15,000 rupees through Flipkart. So guys, don't ever believe in online deals, limited time offers or other festival sales. The price would be much lower in off season. These are just their sales tactics. I learned it the hard way and literally wasted 15,000 rupees. But still, even for that 1,30,000 rupees, I think this laptop is worth every single rupee. Because first of all, it's a limited edition laptop and it won't be in sale forever. So grab one ASAP if you find it on stock. It's always a great feeling to own something that most customers couldn't. Also, the limited edition comes with their own bonus. In this case, you could get a cool mousepad, a gaming mouse which looks good and works great, but feels a little bit cheaper in your hand, maybe because it's weightless. Also, an earphone which no other laptop comes with. And this edition honestly looks gorgeous. Also, the graphics card is the best in this price range. If you want to go for the next beast, which is 1070, you gotta spend a whole lot more for that, at least another 50,000 to 80,000 rupees, which I wouldn't recommend for a value for money gadget. It also got one of the best in class processor and of course a huge 16 GB of RAM, everything you would ever want in a portable gaming rig. Anything above it can be an overkill for you, and this particular model comes with 1 TB hard disk and an extra 256 GB SSD, which is again the best in the class. The next feature I love about this one is that it features a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS LED display with a 144 Hz refresh rate. In simple words, it supports up to 144 frames per second. Only the premium laptops usually feature this specification. The brightness of the display is impressive as well. The only issue I found with the display part is this huge bezel. With the white color, it's gonna be a pain to watch, but trust me, you will get used to this. The keyboard was comfortable to use, but not quite happy with the touchpad. The left and right click needed a little bit of effort than usual. But again, most of us use mouse for gaming and daily use, so that's out of the way as well. The speaker was okay, the audio was clear even if it's not loud enough. For those who won't use headphones, you may want to tune up the volume to max. Even though I'm not satisfied with this battery backup, I'm quite happy with the inbuilt cooling system. You don't have to rely on external cooling gadgets, but using cool pads may be better for your laptop in the long run. After 3 hours of gaming, the laptop did get up to 94 degrees Celsius, but it will get cooled down in a matter of minutes if you give it a rest. The cooling fans are so efficient in this system. The bottom chassis is plastic and it really helps in dispersing the heat throughout and avoid overheating. Now let's get to the main object of the video, and that is gaming performance review. Right now I got 4 games already installed. I gotta tell you that the online gaming benchmark result is no way similar to the actual performance of the device. Also, when I use a screen recorder, there will be frame drops. At first I was using OBS to record and it was lagging like hell. So then I switched to FBX recorder and it was working just fine. But still the FPS was down by 5 to 20 FPS while using the recorder. So if you are not recording, you may get better performance. I tested all games with ultra graphics. I had FPS counter enabled on screen, but the recorder did not capture it. So I have given the average FPS count on the screen both with and without the recorder.
Manoj, keep resist.
Okay. എടാ എനിക്ക് വൺ ലാഗ് എടാ നെറ്റ് സീനാണെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു. എടാ ഒരു കില്ല ഇല്ലടാ ഇതുവരെ കേറ്റ്.
So all the games I tested were playable in ultra settings even while recording. But it wasn't up to the mark when compared to other online benchmarks. If you want the actual user performance review with a lot more games, then just let me know that in the comment section and I will do the same. In short, this is actually a gaming beast and it could get no better at this particular price range. So if you're looking to buy a gaming device that is just over 1 lakh rupees, this one is the perfect choice for you. Also go for the limited edition if you want those extra accessories. So I really hope this video was helpful, and if it did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So see you guys in the next video, and until then, peace out.